What is up, everyone? Good morning. So I've been seeing all these videos online. Everyone's doing this hydro dipping stuff and I wanted to give it a try. So this video, I will show you how we did it. If you like the video, if you want to see more like it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button please, and turn on your notifications. Let me know what you think in the comments. Helps me out a lot. Alright, if you don't know what hydro dipping is, basically you're using water to paint odd shaped surfaces. There's a film of paint on top, and once you dip it, it goes onto the surfaces. It's pretty cool. They sell some film that you can print off on your inkjet printer and put whatever you want on there, but in this case we just used spray paint, you know, simple, something that we did in about 15 minutes, and here's how they came out. Alright, so we got a couple things here we're gonna dip. Got this GoPro camera box, just got it taped off and sanded up. Got this big old flask that I got for $6 at Walmart, and I have this other steel flask that I got at Walmart. Now this one's already white, so I'm not going to primer it, but these two we're going to primer. Alright, so we got our stuff out here, and we're going to primer the things that need primer first. Gloves. Alright guys, we're gonna take our two colors and we're gonna spray it in there one at a time.
If you get it's not gonna be blue anymore. But half of it will.
Ready?
Did you know if you get a toothpick and you move it around, you can make another pattern?
Oh really? Ready?
You wanted yours exactly like the wood? Oh, it actually looks good.
It does.
Like it, Jay? Yeah.
water bottle.
Ready? are back. We're gonna take the tape off of these things and see how they came out. That looks pretty cool. We taped off the lens and inside and the buttons, but that looks pretty legit. I did sand it before starting so that the paint would stick to that plastic. I like it. Here's my water flask. The kids wanted to do in all the colors. I think it came out okay. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed this quick little DIY craft you can do with your kids. If you like it, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications. It helps me out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.